Hello, have you heard the latest? Angry Yoruba mechanics complains Igbos are more than just competitors. Igbos are taking their food despite Awolowo's 20 pounds. Shame. This is funny, but it's not funny. It's not that funny. I can see Tinubu laughing about what I am saying from a corner. Tinubu, Yoruba mechanics, let me even elevate their image. Yoruba Automobile Technicians Association, they have raised an alarm that if no one comes to their rescue, they might die.
Village, let mechanic village be safe. Let us remain as a mechanic. We are law-abiding citizens of Lagos State. I myself, as you are looking at me, I'm born and brought up in Lagos State. I don't have any other state. We are the only Yorubas in Ladipo as a whole living. President mechanic, we have more than 13 different workshops in Ladipo, to Akinwumi extension, to Igbolowu extension, to Alhaji Amusa. All those places have been taken over by Igbo people. These only remain for only Yorubas, and the Igbo people, they are now telling us they are going to use millions to remove us. They are going to remain here forever. Please, the people of Lagos State, Tinubu, Baba Agbalagba, the Jagaban of universe. The Jagaban of universe. Let Mechanic Village, Odualadura, remain as a mechanic workshop. It's under power line. It's given to us by the former governor of Lagos State, Alhaji Lateef Kayode Jakonde. Kudos to the man. Kudos to the man. Kudos to the man. That's my contribution to the press. I am appealing to Yoruba leaders. Yoruba leaders, are you sleepy? No. Are we sleepy? No. In a grand where we suffer for, our grandfather suffer for, our father labor for, somebody will come from outsiders because of money. You want to sell our name. It's not done everywhere. Remember tomorrow. Please, Mr. Jagaba, with honor, with respect, I want you to use your name, your power, your logistics. Please save us from this mess. If somebody will come from outsiders and tell us that they will use money to send Yorubas. Yoruba, we have Masjid coming. Where do you want them to stay and work? We are not hooligans. We are not an armed robber. We are not a tout. Many of us have suffered more than 10 years to gain this our practice. And when we get this our professional, where do you want us to practice it? And then I want you to remember, when the time of campaign, many of us, we left our wives, we left our children, we slept in this workshop where there's plenty of mosquito. And that time, don't forget, you have done a mistake with our leaders, that since then you will not suffer us. This is stubbornness. This is stubbornness. I am appealing to our Jagaba too. Obasanjo, I know if you are aware of this, you will rise up for a fight. I know if you are aware of this, you will fight for us. That's only you can fight for. Mushi leaders, hey, remember the ground you are marching. Remember the ground you are.
This is funny. The man claimed in a video that is trending that he was born and raised in Lagos. And all his life, he has been doing business in Lagos, that Lagos State. He has to, make it clear where he started. You understand? So it is painful and ignominious that people who were left with nothing after the war, after the Civil War, are buying up the whole places. Lagos, Abuja. Manandibo, I want to warn you. Barabara fellow Kawulala. Barabara fellow Kawulala. The Yoruba guy lamented that Igbos are coming to buy up his space. They have been conducting business since he came to Lagos. And that means he wouldn't have a place to do business afterwards. Now where it depend the man, the talko, you understand? I know where should the pain am. So it's calling on the attention of Tinubu, father at the top, Obasanjo, before the bad dream becomes a reality. Tupu Kenya for knows Hey, actually the guy is representing NATA, N-A-T-A, a group that is collectively for that's mechanic people. They are also inviting Lagos Governor Sanwo-Olu to intervene. This is really ignominious. This is like the trending video, and most Nigeria condemned the actions. That's action because this is a country. They claim we are one. How comes everybody started on an equal playing ground? So why are you complaining? Why are Yorubas always complaining in Lagos? Igbos this, Igbos that. We didn't even start on a level playing ground. Some people, the whistle was blown to some people. They left. It was later that Igbo's whistle was blown. Others have left. Yet, Igbos are pursuing and are even overtaking. So, it is not fair to we Igbos. It's not fair. This statement is not fair. We started on a level playing ground. So why calling for help? We are the ones that should call for help. Nigeria's resources were shared before we were brought back. We were left with this. No matter what you have in bank, they give you 20 pounds. Now look at today. We are coming to buy the whole place. Meanwhile, Ndibo, I don't think it's advisable now and again to be buying up lands. It's time to be selling some. Yes, you've heard of what happened in other places, and we have to be careful. Yeah. Please don't fail to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the bell icon to get our updates anytime we drop. Bye for now. I'm Azuka Ozo OJ. Thanks for watching Igbo Area TV. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click the bell icon. Like our Facebook page. Join our Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter and Instagram. Bye for now.